Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to this video on Gala. Wanted to do a quick update on that. I covered it not too long ago, and there I was quite negative. But now we've seen some bullish momentum, which, by the way, we did talk about in that video as well. Because practically, to give you a bit of an introduction on Gala, right now I'm bearish on Gala, but I do know they have some great partnerships. They have a great community, so I'm always monitoring Gala for a potential rally. All right, because it's always possible. Like that's also what we saw Friday the 29th of September, and what I saw yesterday is that Gala was being transacted by some big market makers again in the crypto markets. And sometimes that means that those market makers are trying to achieve some sort of a price level, and that they're messing around with the demand and the supply side liquidity. So that creates potential. So there I already saw some potential in Gala. And right now you can also see that technically it is showing some bullish momentum. It's still very far away from being bullish, all right? So that's what we'll talk about in this video, and whether it's really possible to get some sort of a rally from here. Enough to talk about. Before we do that, I do want to briefly remind you or tell you that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, and all of the results are transparent. We are profitable, all right? So you can make some money with the signals, but apart from that, you also can become a better trader with the traders chat room and my own trading guide. So if you are interested in becoming a better trader while also earning profits, consider joining. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comments, but for now, let's get into Gala. So what we've seen over the last, let's say, 12 hours or so is that Gala has gotten a little bit more momentum. All right, so this is over the last day. You can see that the open interest and well, not the volume, but the open interest started increasing rapidly since yesterday evening, or basically overnight. And it's still fairly high right now. It's dropping a little bit in the last hour or so, but it's still high. Volume is also still going up, so there is momentum for Gala. And like I said, there were some other indications of them being transacted by, in this case, Wintermute, which is one of the biggest market makers in crypto. And sometimes what they transact actually turns into a huge bull run. So for example, they also started transacting Link right here, and that turned into something nice. Now, when we're talking about Gala though, the big problem is that there's just a lot of bearish sentiment and momentum as well in the markets. Like right now, sure, it got up to this resistance level at 1.37 cents, but it has this entire resistance level between 1.41 cents and 1.37 cents as a resistance. Now, I would say breaking above 1.4 cents is already enough to get some sort of a rally, but that doesn't seem likely. Like Bitcoin at this point of time is also not necessarily strong, or at least I wouldn't call it strong. So Gala cannot rely on bullish momentum coming from there, even though it's obviously always possible that Bitcoin does get that bullish momentum, in which case it is possible for Gala. But Gala on its own right now is not strong enough. Like the open interest, like I said, it has dropped down a bit. That needs to keep increasing. All right, the open interest and the volume need to keep increasing. Then something like this is possible. Where breakouts above 1.4, followed by a rally first up to 1.46, and then potentially all the way up to 1.5. So this is a possibility, but not with the current circumstances. The volume, open interest need to grow more. Otherwise, what will happen is Gala will just respect this resistance around 1.4. It will stay in this range right here. And once it loses momentum and potentially Bitcoin falls down, then Gala will fall down towards 1.25 cents as well. So be careful, all right? Gala is showing bullish momentum right now, but it's not close to a bullish breakout for now. There's still some things that would need to happen. So for now, this is the most likely scenario. I will try to keep you updated. But yeah, you'll see that. For now, this is my take on Gala. So thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great day, and bye.